Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to share you beef recipes along with a sweet. So for it I have taken half kg of beef, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and salt as per taste, and added 1 cup of water. So I'll be cooking it in pressure cooker for 30 minutes in a low flame so that the meat gets well cooked, because I'll be making shami with beef and then beef macaroni. So I'll be using soup for macaroni. The weather is pretty good due to rain. So I'm making Phirni. This is not a usual one because instead of rice I've taken Sooji here. I have soaked 2 tablespoons of Sooji and half cup of milk, that is room temperature milk. Adding 1 tablespoon of ghee and some oil. Add the spices: cloves, cardamom and cinnamon powder. Once it is fried, add the milk. I have taken 2 cup of milk, that is half liter of milk. Mix well and allow it to get boiled. The milk I have taken is already boiled one, so you need not boil it like how you have to boil a fresh milk. So after the milk is heated, I'm adding the soaked Sooji or semolina. Combine and cook it well. Later add sugar as needed. Cook it well. Cook it at least for 10 minutes. So that's ready. The side dish is beef shami or kebab. So I decided to make rasam. It is a traditional recipe, curry we can have with rice. So I have taken peppercorns, zira, that is cumin seeds, and 1 slit of red chilli, and some curry leaves, and some garlic, and few slices of onion. Grind it and keep it aside. For a hot water, to just soak the tamarind quickly, I have taken hot water and soaked it. So the beef is ready. We'll grind it in mixer jar. After the coarse grind, that is roughly grinding it, add the fried gram, onion, green chili, cinnamon powder, some red chili powder and ginger garlic paste, and some coriander leaves, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Salt as per taste. We'll be shallow frying it. Fry it until it is crisp on both the sides. So the Shami is ready. Here I'm going to make beef macaroni. So I'll be using the soup. I'm not gonna use the meat. Just the soup will be adding for the macaroni. This procedure is the same as I have make macaroni. I've taken onion finely chopped, add some salt, cook it well, add ginger garlic paste. So once it is combined and cooked, add the tomato finely chopped. Cook it well until it is soft and then add the masalas. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Mix well, allow it to get cooked. So now I'm adding the beef soup. Instead of water, I'm using it. Add some water if needed. Then finely chop the coriander leaves. Allow it to get boiled well. After it is boiled well, slowly add the macaroni. I am cooking it in kadai itself this time without pressure cooker. So I'll be cooking it for 15 minutes, close lid. So that's ready. Yummy and delicious macaroni. Diet is not getting lean without eating good food or skipping meals. So you need to have good food with a correct portion. Do not have tummy full. Make sure you have half tummy of food, quarter of water and quarter empty. So after meal, so this is lemon and honey flavor, vitamin C. Mostly I prefer vitamin C green tea. Usually ginger with honey, this time it is lemon and honey. After you have a meal, maybe an hour or after 2 hours, you can have green tea. It is very good for health. We'll meet you back another video with an interesting recipes or some interesting concepts. Do share me your comments in the comment section below on a specific topic if you need it, and do give a like to my video if you like it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Your like encourages me, your comments boost me. Thank you.